The topic is value of hard work. Hard work is something we know about it, but sometimes we forget how powerful it. Many people wait for luck, and many people wait for things. Hard work is success will come easily, but the truth is simple. Never get in life can be achieved without hard work because hard work is key of success. In our life, we faces many challenges, many problems, many difficulties. Sometimes we will fail, but hard work gives us the courage to continue. Every failure becomes a lesson, and every small achievement becomes a victory. Hard work helps us build up our confidence because we know that we earn our all achievement through our own effort. Well, let's give a small example. Think about a student preparing for exam. A student study regularly, reading regularly, homework regularly, and stay motivated. Will always perform better than someone who wait until the last moment. Hard work doesn't give perfection, but guarantees progress. Progress leads to success. The world famous most successful people, scientists, doctors, businessmen, and leaders are all hard work. Their achievements prove that hard work is the true path to greatness. Before I end my speech, I give you a small message. Believe yourself, stay dedicated, and work hard. You will success one day. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for giving me an opportunity.